wear my natural hair a lot, so a lot of times I really don't be remembering how I achieve particular styles.
A stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. Wait, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky.
So I just took my braids out. I had like maybe, my hair is so thick, so it probably was like 12 braids going to the back, and that's what I wear underneath my wigs, and I just throw my little wig on or whatever. So I just took that out and I just combed my hair out, and so now I'm about to wash it. So as you can see, I have very thick, super thick 4C hair. So how I wash it, I just section it off into 4 sections. I section it off into 4 sections and then comb it out, of course, and then that's how I wash it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward through this process because I don't want this video to be extremely lengthy. And as you can see, this is a medicated shampoo prescribed by a dermatologist. And this is an additional shampoo by Shea Moisture. All of the products that I'm going to be using are by Shea Moisture. And this is the conditioner. And I'll also be using a leave-in conditioner. And you can find all of these products at Target, Walmart, your local beauty supply store, or a Dollar General, Family Dollar, etc. So anyway, let's get into this wash. So first I go in with the medicated shampoo and just get all of that dandruff and stuff off of my scalp. I do have a scalp condition called dermatitis, which is why I have to use a special shampoo. But this process is self-explanatory. Add your shampoo, add your conditioner, and you're done. So right now I am going to blow out my hair, and I'm using the Infiniti Pro by Conair. If you don't have one, get one. So now I'm going to be using Jamaican black castor oil along with the leave-in conditioner and a heat protectant to avoid heat damage. So I'm going to blow out each section thoroughly. It doesn't have to be perfect, but the whole purpose of this is just to stretch your hair, just to give it more length. As you can see, your girl definitely needs a trim, but that's okay. We're gonna do the best that we can, and we are still about to slay this look, period. So now that I've blown this section out, I'm going to do my 2-strand twist. I'm going for a fuller, like, afro look, so larger twist, and I'm gonna dry twist them. So the products that I use, this is by Shea Moisture. Shea Moisture, that's pretty much the only natural hair products I use. Everything that I've tried so far, it just doesn't work for my hair. I have very thick, coarse 4C hair, so Shea Moisture products is really the only thing that I know of that get my hair right. But anyway, the product that I'm going to be using is Intensive Hydration Twist Defining Custard by Shea Moisture. I'm going to be using this, And as always, Eco Styler. I love Eco Styler. You know, Eco Styler is going to give you that definition that you need or want or desire. But I'm not going to go too heavy on the products because the whole purpose of me blow drying my hair was to stretch it. So I don't want to be too heavy handed with the products because all that's going to do is cause shrinkage. So I'm going to use very minimal products. Scalp is red. The only reason I didn't oil my scalp is because the my scalp oil that I use for my scalp, I have to go to the pharmacy and fill the prescription. So yeah, I'm only gonna do three of these. But anyway, oh, I did braids, not 2-strand twists, y'all. Braids. So I'm gonna get 3 sections and just braid it. So I'll put a little bit of this on here. And I like to put the Shea Moisture Twist Define Custard. I really like to put that like in the middle of my hair, and at the end of the hair, that's where I put the little gels, and that just helps it stay together at the bottom. Y'all, this smells so good. And don't judge me because I do not know how to braid. I just do the best that I can, so don't judge me and my method. I do not know how to braid or plait, whatever y'all call it, whatever you want to call this. So do not come for me in the comments or you getting blocked.
Say something in my comments that I don't like. You getting blocked, bitch. I am not unblocking you. Period.
I'm just playing. I ain't gonna block y'all. Can you even block people on YouTube? Can you even do that? Okay guys, so I just finished the first section and these are smaller than I intended for them to be, but it's okay. And I'm going to get my oil from the pharmacy tomorrow, so I'll just oil my scalp tomorrow. Excuse the bottom, y'all. I need my ends clipped, so I couldn't like evenly braid this, so I just twisted the bottom. You're really not supposed to do that, but yeah. So I'm about to start on the next section, and I'll be back once I get to the back. So yeah. Look at this little nub. The middle of my hair is where it's the shortest. Like, look at this. The shrinkage is really real. Now watch this. And not my back hurting in the middle of me filming. Y'all, I swear, this is why I don't wear my natural hair. Like, it takes so long, and then your neck and your back hurts. Like, everything hurts. All right, y'all, so I'm finally done. My hair is so thick, so I have 3 in this section, 3 in this section, and 3 in this section. I don't even know how. And then I have 4 in this section, and I have to go and get my medicated oil from the pharmacy tomorrow. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna put some of this Jamaican black castor oil on my scalp, because I have really dry scalp. So I'm just gonna put some of this on my scalp just in the meantime to give it some moisture. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in the morning when I take this out. Okay, good morning guys. So I just woke up and I'm about to take my plaits out. Here's what they look like. I had 3 in this section, 3 in this section, 3 in this section, and I think 4 in this section. So all I'm gonna do is take my Jamaican black castor oil and I'm gonna rub it in my hands. Just a little bit, not a lot. Just rub a little bit in my hands to make this process easier. And I'm gonna start from the back. It really doesn't matter, but I like to start from the back and just I just like to have some type of oil on my hands, so it'll be easier to take the braids out, and so I won't, like, you know, like with natural hair, like if you're constantly touching it and picking in it, like it frizzes up easily. So I just figured with having oil on it, that'll cause less friction and frizz. Y'all know what I mean. And then plus it smells good. So as I take my plaits down, I'm actually taking my time. I don't want to rush because you don't want to cause any frizz. So you definitely want to take your time on this part. As you can see, my hair is super thick, definitely 4C type. So all of my girls with the 4C hair, tap in the comments and let me know what are some of your tips, tricks, techniques, or whatever that you do to get your hair to behave how you want it to behave. Talk to me in the comments. Okay, so now that we're done, let me turn around and show y'all the back. Ooh, it just made me dizzy. Why the hell would I do that? Anyway, this the back, and you can still see that part where I parted it. It's okay. We finna make that blend. So I take my pick and just pick and just pick until I get my desired look. And so you basically just come in the middle to hide that part. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. It's not the look that I was going for. I'll insert a picture of the look that I was going for. But this is still cute though. This is still cute though. I don't wear my natural hair a lot, so a lot of times I really don't be remembering how I achieve particular styles. So when I was doing my plaits or whatever, I couldn't remember what size plaits I did to get a previous look. But this is still cute. It's still cute. And as you can tell, I have really super duper thick hair. But I love it. I really, 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 really love my natural hair. Like I said, if it didn't take so much maintenance and take me so long to do it, take me 4 hours to do it, I would definitely wear it more often. I just feel like it's too much work and not enough reward, because the style only lasts for like 2 days. Well, a couple of hours depending on the weather. But this is the finished look. So let me know what y'all think in the comments. Let me know what it's giving in the comments. Okay guys, so that concludes this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave your girl a big thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know how you like this style. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you won't miss any of my future uploads. As always, thank you for watching, and be blessed.
A stranger, it's been a minute since we last kissed.